Yo, what up everybody? Welcome to another video. This one is going to be a little bit quicker because I just want to show you how I come up with ideas, how I chop up vocals. If I see a sample that I like, how do I get it out of the instrumental and actually sample it? Don't judge me, the beat is not fully finished, but I did make a beat with a vocal that I really liked and I wanted to sample. So I'm going to take you through all of that. So if you're interested and you like this type of video, just sit down, grab a drink, relax, and just spend some time seeing my process. You may like it, you may not like it. I don't really care, but it works for me and maybe you can get something out of it as well. Anyway, let's go. I'll show you the full beat, then I'll show you the vocals that I sampled. I'll show you the original, how it is in the instrumental, just so you can get an idea of how this beat became to be out of my, I guess, imagination. So this is what it sounds like. So that's how it sounds like. The actual vocals that I sampled are right here. Let me just mute, solo those. Right, little droplets here and there to get that ear candy going, just to kind of make the beat a little bit more spacious, if you will. I'll show you exactly what I did in actual plugins. Now, I'm not done yet. It's not fully mixed, like every producer says. In general, this is just an idea for you, okay? So the way I found the sample, actually, it's from this track. It's an amazing track, and I really like the vocals. All right. So I like that vocal. I'm gonna take that sample, I'm gonna make something with it. But instead of using the full sample, and pitching it up or something, doing something simple, I actually wanted to take parts of it and, like you heard in the video, kind of sample it. So how did I get to the result? I'll show you now. So I took the instrumental, and this is the website that I use for my stem splitting. It's called Lalal.AI. It's very easy to use, very forward. You just drop the track here, you choose what you actually want to extract from the track, and you just hit go. Quite useful. And the reason why I use this website and not like my DAW stem splitter, because Logic has one, is that this is kind of designed specifically for that. And I've tried both, but this one actually has a better job at aiming what to isolate. So I kind of like it better, and that's what I use. So once I split that up, I got my stems right here, and this is how the vocal on its own now sounds. And of course, you got the instrumental right here, right? So. What I like to do for melodies, it's kind of trappy, it's nice. But what I actually like to do when it comes down to it is I actually use a MIDI. Cymatics has pretty cool sample library, right? And MIDI. I don't like to use actual samples, but I like the MIDI because I can change it up. If I don't like a note, I'll take it out. If I do like it, I won't. And I can also put it into any VST and choose my own sound. So after I chose the sound, and I think this one was from Augmented Mallets by Arturia, also a great plugin. It has very cool sounds here. So once I found the sound, I made that melody. The drum, I actually got pretty lazy with it. I just used a drum loop, also from Cymatics. I usually build it up myself when I feel like it, but this time I just felt a little lazy and I wanted to get the feel for the beat really quickly. And this is how it just sounds in the song. Then the vocals. So instead of actually using the sample like I told you, I threw it into a sampler, like that, right? And now you can select any part of that vocal, right? And you can just select different parts of it and play it. And yeah, I just chop it up like this, and whenever I wanna start recording or whatever, I just play the beat, and I add, right, the samples. Pretty straightforward. And these are my sampler settings. I really didn't change much. I just used a little bit of an EQ just to take off a little bit of high end. I'll probably should take out the low end as well, which I can do now, just because this frequency for vocals is not usually heard very well. So, and it just creates muddiness overall in the mix. So it's better to EQ, those lower frequencies out, especially even if you don't hear them, it will pile up. So I take that out, and I also add a pan man. So this is my favorite plugin for automated panning. So I just select the preset, whatever. I go through presets, find what I like, maybe adjust a little bit of the rate, whatever, etc. And if you actually take a listen, probably might be, if you're watching on a phone, it's going to be hard, but if you listen, you'll see that it's going here and there. Yeah. and it changes up every single time. So that's kind of cool. Just to let you know that if you like the sounds that you hear, if you like my studio, if you like the instruments that I use, I can create custom sounds for you. Check out the link in the description. You can create a whole beat. If you're in Toronto, you can come in and work with me and see the full music production. I've been doing it for about 15 years now, so I kind of got little tricks here and there. So we got a lot of equipment. So if you're around, if you want to work, hit the link in the description and subscribe.